Hello and welcome, school board members and guests. I'm Caleb, and this is my partner Nick. We're here today to talk about our autonomous robot. It illustrates an industrial simulation of an exhaust fan. To start, we have our cortex. This is the main brain of the robot, and we have a motor and then a servo motor. The first motor runs the fan. The second motor, the servo motor, runs a flag. And we have two LED lights that are blinking when started and when it turns off. The fan will go until the sonar reads that an object is too close, then the light will continue blinking and the flag will go up as a warning. If you get even closer, the fan will shut off and won't continue until the object is out of reach.
Okay, I'm going to start the program now by pushing this button. The light will blink for 5 seconds, then the program will start and repeat itself indefinitely until I tell it to stop. Get closer. Closer. And there we go. The first part of the code has activated. Servo motor is up. LEDs blinking, but the fan is still running. Get even closer. And the fan will stop. Now, move the board back. The fan will restart. Move it even further back. And the entire program will reset and keep repeating itself till I tell it to stop. This part of the code is where you compile the motors and the LEDs and things. Different parts of the robot, in other words. If you scroll down, we see task main, which is basically the brain of the robot. It tells the robot what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. This part is the part of the code that tells the robot to not do anything until you press the start button. The part under that tells the LED to blink, and then under that, the while statement tells the robot to repeat the program forever. The first part of this program is the start motor sequence, which tells the motor to start, the green LED to turn on, and it tells them to keep running until the second part of the code comes in. This is the set servo section of the code. This tells the flag to raise and the yellow LED to blink whenever something's within 20 inches but farther away than 10 inches of the sensor. Farther still down is the stop motor code. This is the important part of the code. This tells the motor to stop when something gets 10 inches away to prevent, stuff from getting caught in the fan and such. The lowest part of the code, the bottom part here, tells the program to reset whenever the objects are removed from the code sensor here, that the fan doesn't stay off when it's not necessary. That pretty much sums up the robot.